Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning out the month of May in my Erin Condren Life Planner. Alright, so let's jump right into it. You're going to hear this about a million times in this video, but May is my favorite month of the year. So I'm going to be using this kit from Planner Kate. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I was going to use a different one from Chrissy & Designs, but I realized that I had ordered a bunch of kits for the Moxie Life Planner when I was using that as my main planner. So since I am using the EC, I went ahead and quickly ordered some kits from Planner Kate because she ships like crazy fast. Not that Kristen doesn't, although this seems a little big. I don't know what's going on there. It's like, I need to go down just a little bit, I think is what's happening. But anyway, I grabbed this kit too because I really, really love the colors. And it also had the add-on for the notes page, which I think I want to try a little bit something different in there. Do I need to go all the way to the line? Do I need to cover the line? It was only off by just a hair. Yep, I needed to be like right at the line. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Now, I did not get the Monday start like I normally do, and that's totally fine. But I'm kind of like, as I was sitting here looking at the sticker kit, I was like, why don't planners come with a Monday start? Or why at this point hasn't EC jumped on that train with having a Monday start as an option? Like, why do the weeks in the planner start with Monday, and then the month starts with Sunday? Make it make sense. I don't know why there's excess. Did I need to go over here? I don't want to move it again, so I'm just gonna cut it off. I think that this is user error, but yeah, I didn't put it in the right place. That's okay, and I think I might have cut off part of my page. This is going to be a mess. So anyway, it is my birthday month. My birthday is also on Mother's Day. My family has been warned that it is still 2 separate days. Do not try to cheat me out of things. No. No, this of course happens every few years. Yeah, it's always an exciting time. My family is like, how do you want to celebrate? I'm like, I don't know. As you get older, not saying that birthdays don't matter, just kind of thinking out loud here. I would probably celebrate Mother's Day a little bit more heavily. And I have got like ink all over my hand from cleaning out my pen drawer. That was a whole, I don't know, just a project that I was not prepared to take on, but I needed to because some parts of my desk drawers were just getting so out of hand. Do I wish I had filmed it? Kind of, but then you guys would have seen me just start throwing things in trash bags because some pens had exploded in the drawers. I'm like, how does that even happen? They must be really, really, really old, and it was time for them to go. All right, so I'm just gonna finish putting on these date dots, and I will be right back. Okay. That felt like it took me about a million years to finish. All right, so one of the things, I just realized that there is like a piece of the sticker sheet stuck to the knife. That is not cool at all. No, I can't get it off. Okay, so one of the cool things is that Kate includes these stickers that you can use to cover up the excess dates. So the dates in this particular month that are from June. I think that those are really cute. I love the little dots combined with the floral design. Really, really nice. Okay, there is that. I love this already. Okay, let's do the sidebar. And I believe with Kate's kits, I haven't used a monthly EC from her in forever. All you gotta do is pop it in over here. I say all you gotta do. I can't, this is complicated getting it straight. Maybe I should start from the bottom. Does anyone know? Let's see. No, I don't think. I think I should start from the top. Okay, let's flip it around because my mind kind of works better this way. All right, that was awesome and probably never going to happen again. All right, so let's get in, of course, the very, very important things, which are like paydays and things like that. So I'm going to start with that on Thursday for each day. So do I want to use these? I probably want to use the other ones since those are appointment labels. Let's use these lighter ones. And I'm gonna kind of put the 5th a little bit higher just because I need to put something else right beneath it. Paydays are in now. Of course, I want to mark things like my birthday. Yeah, super excited about that. Another day older. Geez, I wish it was just another day, another year older. And I need to start seeing a chiropractor. So yay. All right, let's put that here. That is on the 8th. It is also on Mother's Day. I'm not trying to cover that up. Let's move that up just a smidge. Right there. Okay. And then I just realized I forgot another payday over on the 20th. Can't forget that. Okay, I finally got that little piece of paper that was stuck to the 9th off of there. It was bothering me to no end. Okay, and then I've got a couple of days off from work. So I have got Friday the 6th off and then Monday the 30th. Got to get the paydays and days off first put down. All right, and again, I'm gonna put this up here just a little bit higher because I've got some other things that I wanna put down, and I may end up taking this Tuesday off as well. Haven't fully decided. I love pairing a holiday, like a paid day off, with a day off that comes out of my vacation because it's nice. You get like longer time off and you're not really being charged all of that time. Okay, so the 5th through the 7th, I will be out of town, or the evening of the 5th through the 7th. Super, super excited about that. I get to see all my friends. But anywho, it's gonna be such a good time. I cannot wait to see the people that I love and hang out with them. And I told my family, I was like, look at it this way. You just get a little bit of extra time to plan things for my birthday. I think Jesse was like, yeah, whatever. But no, I'm super, super excited. Like, yeah, I'm so ready for a little mini vacation, and then I get to celebrate with my family on Sunday. And this sticker is like super crooked down in the end. It's bugging me. There we go. Let's fix that. Okay, and then I've got 2 doctor's appointments. I know, like the most riveting things. But during my birthday month, I do try to schedule those things just to kind of, you know, it's like a reminder month. Anyway, I need to have my mammogram on, let me look now. It is on the 20th. I still do have mine done every single year, simply because I have a lump that is being watched. So I do go a little bit more often. And then on the 27th, I have my endocrinology appointment. And for those who may not know or may be newer to my channel or any of my content, I am a cancer survivor. So I still, at minimum twice a year, am under the care of an endocrinologist who watches all of my thyroid levels, make sure there isn't anything alarming. If there is, you know, they schedule all of my scans, things like that, to just make sure that I don't have another occurrence of cancer, because I have had cancer 3 times so far. With that being said, the 7th is actually also my cancer anniversary. Might seem odd to some people to celebrate that, but it is kind of a big deal once you've had cancer and you are lucky enough to overcome that. You do kind of celebrate it because that's the first day that you are a survivor. So that is my cancer anniversary. And anytime I tell someone that, they're like, wait, you found out the day before your birthday? Sure did. It makes May a very interesting month for me. All right, there is that. And then that is all I really have to put down right now. Jesse is going on a work trip at some point in the month. I don't like to put that out ahead of time just because the internet is weird. So that is my month view. Now I want to go over and decorate my notes page. Now, I've kind of gone back and forth. How do I want to use this notes page, right? It's never going to be perfect, but I'm going to kind of like throw down this kit and just kind of go with it and see how it turns out. So I'm going to put this big box. Where do I want to put that? I think I want to put this here. Yes, because I'm kind of going to use this page as more of like memory keeping. In the month of May, nope, not month of May, we haven't gotten there yet. Month of March was my absolute favorite. I tracked videos over here. I'm not going to do that anymore over here just because I'm like deep in the whole like Notion rabbit hole and I'm loving keeping things over there, but I did put some memory keeping things over here. April, which I haven't finished yet. I did start with the video situation. This was the month that I jumped into Notion, so I'm not even using that. And then I want to fill it with memories for the month of April. Probably going to do that this weekend, so I'll show you guys what that looks like in a future video. But I really love some of the stickers that Kate used in here because it's got like the month of May over here and then the memories, which I kind of want to incorporate with all of the washies and things like that. So I think first I am going to use maybe this strip of washi. I may end up doubling it up just because I was kind of hoping that there was a thicker option here and there isn't, but that's okay. And then I'm just gonna cut it off with my ruler here. And like I said, I will just double it up. And hopefully all of the lines line up. I think that they will just fine. It's just a matter of me getting it straight. All right, I think I got it. Nope. Nope. So close, so close. Okay, I think we're almost there. It's just like a hair off. There we go. Okay, I think that that will work. There we go. Problem solved. I didn't have thick washi, and now I do. And then I'm gonna put May and then the memories little sticker right about here. And I can like fill the page with things there. Now over on this side, I kind of want to use all of these different little headers. Oh, okay, no, that was a double one. How do people use these? There's only two? You can tell I haven't used one of these in quite a while, but it's so pretty. I love the little rainbows and things like that. So very, very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna use that one there. And I think, do I wanna use events or projects? I may not label them at all, you guys, because this is gonna be like a huge memory keeping page. I think, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna keep them like that. And what I might do is use this skinny washi strip to kind of create a little header there, and then use this one for goals for the month. Obviously there's going to be more than 4 goals, but the big ones can go there, and then I can mark those off. But the other two I'm going to leave blank because there may be things that I want to like celebrate with content, or with my trip I might want to put a lot of pictures on both of these pages. But I kind of do like how that makes these pages come alive in this planner, because it did kind of look pretty plain since this is the neutral. So now I have like a nice colorful-ish canvas to kind of work with. I know that there's May and May here. I'm like looking up through my viewfinder and I'm like, did I really need that there? Yes. All right, guys, so that is it for my May plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.